Hey guys, Joe from Vinyl Fox USA. We got an exciting new product for the Ford Maverick. Vinyl inlay letters for the tailgate. We have so many different designs for this. We started with Tremor style, replica graphics. We carried on to solid colors. Now we have camos. We have American flag patterns, patriotic, and other trim level designs like the FX4, Tremor of course. We specialize at creating graphics that are easy to install. They're DIY friendly. You're able to take them out of the box with everything you need and install it in a driveway, a garage, a parking lot. Really doesn't matter. Anywhere you can have access to the vehicle where the graphics are going, super easy to install. Let's get on over to the vehicle and we'll show you how easy it is to install. All right guys, we're gonna get started. First step is to clean the surface before we apply the graphics. This application fluid that we provide in the kit is multi-purpose. You can both clean and apply the graphics with it. So let's start with just spraying the surface. Use the provided towel and clean them thoroughly, getting into all the grooves. And there we go. Starting with the M, we're going to spray a generous amount on there and then peel it off of the vinyl. Like this. It is vinyl, so you want to take it off gently because you can stretch it. I'll set that out of the way. And we're just going to give it a quick mist on the back side of the vinyl. And hover like this. Get it about right. Yep, just starting here about in the middle of the M. Lay it into place. Once you get it where it looks right, take your towel. Just going to blot it more or less. Gently tap the surface. We're just trying to get the surface moisture to go away. This is an air release vinyl, so you won't have any bubbles or creases. It's going to lay right down, bubble free. There we go. On to the next. All right, next is the A. Peel your letter and then spray the back side. We're going to hover that center triangle until it's about right. Gently tack like that. Again, take the towel, just kind of blot it. And then if you want, you can even press here and then rub out towards the edges. And that one's done. All right, onto the V. Again, spray it down. Peel it off. Put a little spritz. And we're just going to line the center of the V up. Get it where it looks good. Gently lay it out like that. Blot. And then holding maybe in the middle there, we push out. And there you go. All right, we're going to go to the E. Peel our E. Let them kind of float like that. You can spray it real quick. And we're going to line up this big section first, and then the 3 lines will fall right into place. So kind of hover it like this. And look at that. Falls right into place. Quick blot. Press and hold here, and then just pull it out for each line, and you're done. Onto the R. We're going to hover this center part here first. Get it where she looks good. Down. And we're going to blot. Press here, pull down, pull out, pull down. That's it. And the simplest letter ever, straight line, I. Little spritz there. Lay it like that. Little blotting. Press and pull out to the edges, and done. Onto the C, and we're going to line this big section up first. I'm going to use the application tool just so you can see this because my hand kind of covers it. Line up this big section first, and then just twist that off right into position, right into position. blot, press, pull, and done. All right, and the final letter, line this big section up first. Use the tool again. I'm going to float this into place like this, right where it lines up where you want her. And then I'm holding the big section and rolling this off. Lay it right into place. Blot, press, and wipe. And that's it. All right, and just like that, we're done. You can give the surface a quick wipe down. You can wash the vehicle immediately. There's no restrictions or anything like that. If you're interested in picking up one of these kits, visit vinylfoxusa.com. If you have any suggestions or ideas for different patterns, designs, areas where graphics might look cool, drop a comment below. Till next time, keep it stupid simple.